Imagine a world untouched by sunlight, where the pressure crushes anything we know, and life thrives. What if I told you that world exists, right here on Earth, just beneath the waves? Welcome to the deep sea, an alien environment right in our own backyard. The pressure is immense, it's freezing cold, and the darkness is absolute. It's a place so extreme. We know more about the surface of Mars than we do about our own ocean floor. And yet, this isn't an empty void. It's a realm teeming with life so bizarre, it defies imagination. Today, we're taking the plunge into the abyss to uncover the weirdest, most wonderful creatures that call the deep ocean home. These aren't monsters from a sci-fi movie. They are the architects of adaptation, the bizarre beauties of the abyss, and the living proof that life always finds a way. So, take a deep breath. We're going down. First up, let's meet the masters of survival in the crushing dark. In a world with no sun, light is a weapon, a lure, and a language, and no one speaks it better than the You've probably seen her before, that famous fearsome face with a built-in fishing rod dangling a glowing bait right in front of her razor-sharp teeth. This isn't just for show. It's a deadly trap. In the pitch black, smaller fish are drawn to this single point of light, swimming straight into the angler's waiting jaws. This is bioluminescence, the chemical magic of creating light, and it's the key to survival down here. But it's not just about hunting. Many creatures use light to communicate, to find a mate, or to startle predators with a sudden flash like a deep-sea burglar alarm. To navigate this world of shadows and light, evolution has gotten creative. Some creatures have developed enormous, ultra-sensitive eyes, designed to catch the faintest glimmer of bioluminescent light. Others, living where there's truly no light at all, have lost their eyes completely. Instead, they rely on an incredible array of other senses. They use long, delicate feelers to touch their way around, or highly advanced chemoreceptors that can taste chemicals in the water, essentially smelling their prey from far away. It's a sensory world completely different from our own. What's truly mind-blowing is how often nature arrives at the same solution from different starting points. This is called convergent evolution. For example, the long eel-like body shape has evolved independently in many unrelated deep-sea fish, because it is simply the most efficient way to move and hunt in this environment. It's like a universal blueprint for success in the deep, from the terrifying jaws of the dragonfish to the stealthy movements of the gulper eel. These creatures are living proof of nature's incredible ingenuity. They are perfectly sculpted by the extreme pressures of their world, true architects of adaptation. Now, let's move from the fearsome to the fantastically weird. The deep sea isn't just about scary-looking hunters. It's also a gallery of some of the most surreal and beautiful organisms on the planet. Prepare to be mesmerized. Have you ever heard of It looks like a single, long, stringy creature, sometimes stretching over 100 feet, longer than a blue whale. But here's the twist. It's not one animal. It's a massive colony of thousands of individual, specialized organisms called zooids, all cloned from a single original. Each group of zooids has a specific job. Some are for floating, some for feeding, some for reproduction, all working together as a single superorganism. It's a floating, living city that drifts through the dark. Then there's the giant ice. Imagine a roly-poly or a pill bug from your garden. Now, imagine it grew to be the size of a small dog. That's a giant ice. Armored scavengers crawl along the seafloor, feasting on whatever falls from the waters above, like whale carcasses. They can survive for years without a meal, thanks to a super slow metabolism. They might look like something from a prehistoric nightmare, but they're actually crucial janitors of the deep, cleaning up the ocean floor. And don't let the darkness fool you. There's surprising color down here. The strawberry squid, for example, is bright red with one big yellow eye and one small blue one, a combination that helps it see both the faint light from above and the bioluminescence from below. Many deep-sea creatures display vibrant reds, blues, and purples, colors that are often created by bioluminescence itself. In this world of perpetual twilight, life paints with light. This intricate web of strange and beautiful creatures reveals an ecosystem far more complex and delicate than we ever imagined. A hidden gallery of bizarre beauties. Just when you think you've seen it all, the deep sea introduces you to organisms that seem to break the very rules of life. These are the creatures that force scientists to rewrite biology textbooks. Let's journey to the hydrothermal vents. These are cracks in the ocean floor, spewing out superheated, mineral-rich water from the Earth's core. The pressure is immense. The temperature can exceed 700 degrees Fahrenheit, and the water is loaded with toxic chemicals like hydrogen sulfide. It should be a dead zone. Instead, it's an oasis, teeming with life. Here we find gigantic tube worms, some over 6 feet tall, with no moat, no stomach, and no gut. So how do they eat? They have a unique partnership with special bacteria living inside their bodies. These bacteria perform a process called chemosynthesis. They take the toxic chemicals from the vents and turn them into energy, feeding themselves and their tube worm hosts. They literally eat poison for a living. This discovery was revolutionary. It proved, for the first time, that life doesn't need sunlight to exist. It opened up a whole new possibility for where we might find life, not just on Earth, but on other planets and moons in our solar system, a field we now call astrobiology. Think of Jupiter's moon Europa, which is believed to have a liquid water ocean beneath its icy shell, possibly warmed by hydrothermal vents. The creatures living here in our own deep sea could be a model for what alien life might look like. Studying these impossible organisms isn't just about discovering new species. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible for life itself. So, what's next? We've journeyed thousands of feet down, met creatures stranger than fiction, and witnessed life that thrives in impossible conditions. But the truth is, we've barely scratched the surface. It's estimated that over 80% of our ocean is still unmapped, unobserved, and unexplored. The abyss holds countless more secrets. Every deep-sea dive brings back new species, new behaviors, and new questions. The future of deep-sea exploration is more exciting than ever. New technologies are allowing us to go deeper, stay longer, and see more clearly than ever before. We have advanced remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, equipped with high-definition cameras and robotic arms that can collect samples with incredible precision. Autonomous underwater vehicles can now map vast areas of the seafloor on their own. We're on the cusp of a new golden age of discovery, where the next dive could reveal a new branch on the tree of life, a new chemical compound that could lead to life-saving medicines or even new insights into the origins of life on Earth. But this mysterious world is in peril. Climate change, deep-sea mining, and pollution threaten these fragile ecosystems before we even have a chance to fully understand them. These incredible creatures and their unique habitats are a vital part of our planet's health. They are a library of biological wonders that we have only just begun to read. We have a responsibility to protect this last great frontier. By supporting marine conservation efforts and scientific research, you can be part of this incredible journey of discovery. Share this video, talk about the wonders of the deep sea, and advocate for its protection. The future of our planet might just depend on the secrets hidden in its darkest depths. Let's make sure we can continue to explore and protect these mysterious realms for generations to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the unknown.